Are you ready to transform your love for photography or videography into a lucrative side hustle? Picture this. For every stunning photo you upload that gets downloaded, you could earn between 25% $1.25 and 45% $12.50. And it doesn't stop there. Each video you share could net you 25% $3.70 to a whopping 45% $78.75 for every download. But wait, there's more. If you're into audio, the same earning potential applies. In this comprehensive tutorial, I'll walk you through every step to sign up and become a successful contributor on Dreamstime. Welcome to Dreamstime. Are you ready to monetize your creativity? In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the complete steps to sign up and become a contributor on Dreamstime. Whether you want to sell your videos, photos, or any other creative content, Dreamstime provides a fantastic marketplace for you to showcase your work and earn money. This process is straightforward and easy to follow. So let's dive in and get started on your journey to sharing your creativity with the world and generating income. To get started, visit the Dreamstime site. You can find the link in the description or in the comments section below. Once you're on the site, click on the Sign Up for Free button located at the top right corner of the homepage. A registration pop-up will appear. This section is where you'll create your account to start your journey as a contributor. Enter a valid email address here and create a password that is at least 6 characters long. Then click Sign Up for Free button. We'll move us to this section. Just go to the URL at the top. If the URL includes the word credits, simply delete that part of the URL, then press Enter on your keyboard. We will move to this section. Just click on Upload Files located at the bottom right of the page. We will move to the Profile section to complete our details here. Any field marked with an asterisk is required. Enter your real name and your last name here. Enter your address here. Enter your city here. Enter your postal code. Enter your state. Enter your phone number here. Website is optional. Company is optional. Equipment details refer to the gear you use for your photos or videos, but this section is optional. The same applies to favorite subjects. Write your bio, as it will appear on your portfolio. You can fill in more information if you wish, such as your social media links, but all of this is optional. After filling in all the information, click on Update Profile. You can change your username from here. Then write your new username without a space, and then click Change. Click on Dashboard to access the dashboard where you can upload images. To upload your photos, click on the Upload Files button here to open the File Upload section. You can click anywhere in this area to open a pop-up window, allowing you to choose photos from your computer. Then, select your photo and click Upload. Alternatively, you can navigate to your photo folder. Select the images and drag and drop them anywhere in this area to start the upload too. Let's verify our email while we wait for the photos to upload. Go to your email and open the message from Dreamstime. Then, you could either copy the link to verify your email on another browser or device, or click here to verify directly in this browser. This will open a new tab, indicating that you have successfully verified your email. Return to the Upload section to submit your photo for review. After the photo is uploaded, it will appear here. Click on your photo. Then enter your photo title in the designated field, and provide a description in the space below. In the Comment for Editors section, you can write any messages you wish to convey to the reviewers. This section is intended for reviewers only and will not be visible on your photos. This is the photo category that has been automatically selected. If your photo does not fall into the automatically selected category, please let me know in the comments, and I will show you how to add it. Enter your photo keywords here. Now, let's explain the license types before you submit your photo. The default license is commercial royalty-free is commonly used for a wide range of applications. You can enable this option here. If your photo does not qualify for commercial use, it will be approved as a free photo. If your photo is exclusive to Dreamstime, you can enable this option here. Otherwise, you can choose to keep it without enabling any options. This is the editorial license is primarily intended for news, educational content, or non-commercial use. If your photo is exclusive to Dreamstime, you can enable this option here as well. Alternatively, if your photo pertains to current news or events, you can enable this option here too. Otherwise, you can choose to keep it without enabling any options. Choose whatever you want and click on Submit. After you submit your photo, it will appear in the Under Review section. Some photos may take only a few hours to review, while others may take several days. To add or change your portfolio profile picture, click on Account at the top right of the page to return to the dashboard. Then, click on Edit your profile. Next, click on Add Profile Photo. Select your photo, and then click Upload. Finally, click the Submit button to add it to your profile. And there you go! You have successfully created your account and submitted your photos to become a contributor on Dreamstime. These are the complete steps, and you don't need to take any additional actions. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to become a contributor on Dreamstime. We hope you found the steps clear and helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and follow or subscribe to my channel for more tips and tutorials. Good luck! Peace!